If you are a Windows user, you must install this PC Manager right away. Hi guys, this is Hari, and in today's video I will show you the features of the new Windows PC Manager, so stick till the end. So when you first launch the software, you'll see two options: cleanup and security. Let's start with the cleanup. Here you can see memory usage and temporary files along with the boost button. Just click on that button and you can see a noticeable change, especially on budget laptops. Next up is health check. And in here you'll see items to clean up and the option to disable the startup apps, which is convenient. Next is storage management. Here you can deep clean your files. It also gives you the option to search for large files and delete them. You can also uninstall the rarely used software, thus saving your space. In process management, you can end the process of any running software. The startup option lets you disable the programs which help the PC to boot faster. In the security tab, we can check for the Windows update. It also lets you enable protection for the browser. And finally, pop-up management lets you block annoying Windows pop-up in apps. Overall, this is a convenient, handy tool to manage your PC, and if you are wondering how to install this on your PC, then click the link in the description and you'll reach this page. Just click on download. And once it's done, open it and run the setup by accepting the agreement, and that's it. So that was all. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.